Hello and welcome to this short video where I want to show a new feature in Service Pack 1 of HiCAD 2024. Basically, this is about a new copy function. I have constructed a small facade for this purpose here, where the facade leans outward, and down here on the ground I have a base point console and I want to bring it to the other posts using simple means. Regarding this here, in the new expanded a new function in the release which overrides part moving in this area. It is called. This command exists in the transform area, meaning if I want to move something in the area of copying, which I want to use now, I have already selected the console and I select the command here. I specify here how many copies I want. If I have or specify 2 copies in this case, I can specify the number. I can continue the command as long as I do not finish this. In this first step, I have to specify a plane, which is my original plane. In this case, I'm choosing a plane that is the original plane. Select the trailing edge of the post. I can go here, and as soon as I click on the respective surfaces with the mouse, I already see the preview. A click here inserted my first console, and I can arbitrarily continue to copy. And I can easily bring these consoles to the correct places on the facade. Of course, this would also work with the clipboard. Here, however, it's much simpler and prettier because I can immediately see the preview. Post from the document.